Good morning, students. Today, in this video, we will discuss interrogative, active and passive voice rules for simple future and continuous tense. By the end of this video, you will be able to convert active to passive and passive to active for interrogative, simple future and continuous tense. We will now discuss interrogative active-passive rule for simple future tense. If in your active voice will or shall is given, then in the passive voice we have to add the word be. And if we are converting from passive to active, then we have to remove the word be. Now we will understand with the help of this first example. So the first example, will he accept invitation? Now here by is not given, so it is your active voice. Now action word accept, so double underline. It is a verb. Who accept? He. Subject, so single underline. Accept what? The invitation. Object, so triple underline. Now invitation will come here. He will go to last and it will change into him. Accept will change into its past participle form accepted. Here we will add the word by. And as we have discussed that if in the active voice will or shall is given, then in the passive voice we have to add the word be. So after invitation we will add the word be and will remain will. So our answer will be, will invitation be accepted by him? Question mark. Now next we will learn how to convert passive to active for simple future tense. Now see the first example. Will the work be completed by Ria? Now here action word completed verb, so double underline. Who completed? Ria. Subject, so single underline. Completed what? The work. Object, so triple underline. Now here Ria will come in the beginning. The work will go to last. Complete will change into its present form because we are converting from passive to active. So completed will change into complete. Be will be removed. By will be removed. And will remain as it is. So our question will be, will Ria complete the work? Question mark. Similarly, we will discuss the second example. By whom will the cake be baked? Now here there is no subject and action word here is baked, so double underline. Baked what? The cake. Object, so triple underline. Now there is no subject in this case, and whenever in the question we are given by whom in the passive voice, then in the active voice we have to change it into who. So by whom will change into who. Will remain as it is. Now next our verb will come, so baked will change into bake and the cake is our object, it will go to last. So our answer will be, who will bake the cake? Question mark. Now see the last example. Will the game be won by Rohan? Action word won, double underline. Who won? Rohan. Subject, so single underline. Won what? The game. Object, so triple underline. Now will remain as it is, will not change. Rohan will come here. The game will go to last. One will change into its present form, win. Be will be cut. By will be cut. And our answer will be, will Rohan win the game? Question mark. Next we will discuss active-passive interrogative rule for continuous tense. If in your active voice is, am, are, was, were plus present form of verb and ing is given, then in the passive voice we have to add the word being. And if we are given passive voice, then we have to cut the word being to convert it into active voice. Now we will understand with the help of this first example. See the first example in the active voice. Is he helping you? Now helping action word verb, so double underline. Who helping? He. Subject, so single underline. Helping whom? You. Object, so triple underline. Now here you will come here in the beginning. He will go to last and it will change into its objective case him. And helping will change into its past participle form helped. And before helped we have to add a word being, as we have discussed that we have to add being. And here by will be added. And now here is will change into are because with he we use is but with you we use are. So our question will become, are you being helped by him? Question mark. Now next we will discuss how to convert passive to active for continuous tense. Now see the first example. why was burger being eaten by Ria? Now whenever we are having question words like why, when, where, the words will remain as it is. Why will remain why, and it will come as it is. The next verb can be changed according to your subject. Now see here, action word eaten, verb so double underline. Who eaten? Ria. Subject so single underline. Eaten what? Burger. Object so triple underline. Now Ria will come here. Burger will go to last. Eaten will change into now eating. Being will be cut and eaten will change into eating. Now see here. Ria is singular, so was will remain was, and the answer will be why was Ria eating burger? Question mark. Now we will learn how to do passive to active in the second example also. Are kites being sold by them? Now here, sold is your action word verb so double underline. Who sold? Them. Subject so single underline. Sold what? Kites. Object so triple underline. Now here, them will come in the beginning and it will change into its subjective case they. Kites will go to last. Sold, being sold will change into selling. Being will be cut and sold will change into selling. Now here, kites and they both are plural, so are will remain are. So our question will be, are they selling kites? Question mark. Now so the last example, is a car being driven by me? Now here, action word driven, verb so double underline. Who driven? Me. Subject so single underline. Driven what? A car. Object so triple underline. Now me will come here in the beginning and it will change into I into its subjective case. A car will go to last. Being will be removed and driven will change into driving. Now here is will change into am because with car we use is but with I we use am. So our question will become, am I driving a car? Question mark. Now next we will discuss some more examples. So the first example, will you teach Reena? Now here by is not given, so it is your active voice and we have to convert from active to passive. And we know that whenever in the active voice will is given, then in the passive voice we have to add the word be. Now first we will identify our subject, verb and object. Action word teach, verb so double underline. Who teach? You. Subject so single underline. Teach whom? Reena. Object so triple underline. Now will remain will, it will not change. Reena will come here in the beginning. You will go to last. Teach will change into its past participle form taught. And before you we will add the word by and we will add the word be also. So our answer will become now, will Reena be taught by you? Question mark. Now we'll do the second. By whom will it be done? Now here by is given. That means it is your passive voice and we have to convert from passive to active. Now here by whom is given and there is no subject in this sentence. Now action word is done. Verb so double underline. Done what? It. Object so triple underline. Now by whom will change into who. Will remain as it is. And after this we have to add a verb. So done will change into its present form do. And our object will become, and our object will come at the last, and here we will write it. So our answer will be, who will do it? Question mark. Now see the next examples. Example number 3. Is banana being eaten by you? Now see here, by is given. It means it is your passive voice and we have to convert it into active voice. Action word eaten, verb so double underline. Who eaten? You. Subject so single underline. Eaten what? Banana. Object so triple underline. Now you will come here. Banana will go to last. Being eaten will change into eating. Being will be cut. And here is will change into are because with banana we use is, but with you we use verb are. So our answer will become, are you eating banana? Question mark. Now see number 4. Was the game being watched by the boys? Now here, action word watched, verb so double underline. Who watched? The boys, subject so single underline. Watched what? The game, object so triple underline. Now the boys will come here. The game will go to last. Being watched will change into watching. Being will be cut. By will be cut. And here was will change into were because the game was singular but the boys here is now plural. So the answer will be were the boys watching the game? Question mark. Now see the last example. Will you be helped by Raj? Now here by is given, so it is your passive voice, and while changing from passive to active in case of simple future, we will cut the word be. Now action word helped, verb so double underline. Who helped? Raj, subject so single underline. Helped whom? You, object so triple underline. Raj will come here. You will go to last. Helped will change into its present form help. Be will be cut, by will be cut, and will remain as it is. So our answer will become will Raj help you? Question mark. I hope you all have understood interrogative, active and passive voice rules for simple future and continuous tense. Now solve the related back exercises. Thank you.